I just wanted to say, life is suffering, so get your act together. I need to have to make videos. There's a list of things I need to want to do. And there's a time when they should be done in reaction to when other things are done. So I always make up for something not being done by something else not being done.
It was at this point that I realized that what I was saying was really repetitive and annoying and didn't really mean anything at all.
I feel big. It's fine. I want to leave so bad. I want to take a trip to Joshua Tree. If I had a trip planned, that would make any exertion I have right now towards school and work so much more worth it. I become weary when there's nothing else to look forward to. I think everyone can agree with that. Why am I talking like this, like I'm out of breath? I also want time for myself. I don't think I will ever get a double piercing as much as I have always thought I wanted to. All in good time. I'm healing and I'm striving and I have desire to do what God's heart desires. Okay.
You forever can't be wrong, even though you're not here, won't move on. That's how you played it, and there's no remedy for memory. Your face is like a melody, it won't leave my head. Your soul is haunting me and telling me that everything is fine, but I wish I was dead. Every time I close my eyes, like a dark paradise, no one compares to you. I'm scared that you won't be waiting on the other side.
What is that? What is that? This doesn't look appetizing. Are these tamales? They're so dry. The flavor is great. I've often had the experience that these are just too dry. Eating crust is just kind of boring and too dense. What's the point? It's unnecessary. It's filling me up in a not so satisfying way. How is that not cheese? That is cheese. Someone told me that there is no cheese in here. Wrong. This is not so easy to eat this stuff. I'm getting anxious. You heard it here first. It's meditation time. It's nap time. It's time to relax. 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 I look so tired. My knee is shaking. This is what I'm doing. It's fine. I can eat this. Your body needs fuel, so it can go walk, 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 and say hello, and then be like, have a good day. Can I help you with that? Oh, sorry. I didn't see you there. I need to do this. It's true. But how am I supposed to read such dense material?
And remember it.
Got any tips? I could use some advice. Never enough advice. I can give you advice. I could use advice, and I can give you advice, okay? I can do both. Which one do you want? Oh, what, me give you advice? Because you can't? Because you're not a real person? Okay. My advice would be to finish your food if you feel fat. Don't finish your food if you've eaten a lot and you feel full. You can always burn it off in the healthiest of ways. It's good to be active. Don't be too active. Don't hurt yourself. But get a little bit of heart pump. Don't eat so much sugar. Don't eat so much processed food. Don't eat so much that's of one thing. Too much of one thing is too much, meaning not a good amount. You only want a good amount. Good amount of everything. I'm just mashing this up so it's easier to digest. It's such a weird texture, man. It's all spongy. Fun. What should I mix this with? My saliva, that's what. Am I talking to myself? No. If there was no camera, I would be. What should I do? In general. Make my bed, baby? Then what? Lay down on it? Okay. Fall asleep? Go get some water after that? This is what my life has become. Avoid working on homework because there is none. Just looking at a book and getting distracted because it's not due within 1 hour. Unless it's due in a few minutes, it's like, what's the point? That's how I feel. Of course there's a point. All the knowledge adds up as you put in your time. Makes it that much more likely that you will know your exam. Gonna look at my book now.